Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nickstoygarage, as you can see it right there, and I'm doing a live commentary. Woo, yes, I'm speaking live. It's new for me, but I probably can manage. I've been actually sent a package from a guy named Peter. So thank you very much for sending this in. If you want to send in something yourself, go to the description down below or send me an email. I love if this is amazing, and I can't stress enough how happy I am with this. No, I did a failed take, which I just used my knife, almost cut 6 fingers off and opened it, but I haven't actually looked inside yet, so I can't wait. It has arrived me this morning, but I only could open it now, so I can't wait. I already see some nice bubble wrap. Ooh, it's a bigger one. It's a trailer. Ooh, this is a nice, it's Matchbox. It's made in England by Leslie, interstate double freighter from the major pack number 9. I love these kind of, well, bigger Matchbox. Is there a truck? Oh, packing peanuts. I love it. Ooh, there it is. There is the truck. Yes, it's a complete set, I think. It is the Henderson tractor major pack number 9. It's also number 9, I think. Yes, it is. So I think these are supposed to go together. Ooh, amazing. So this thing needs a restoration. I'm going to see if I can get these stickers, and then I'm going to restore this thing. Oh, thank you very much. More packing I love these packing peanuts. Get everywhere. Ooh, nice. We have, ooh, an older one. This is definitely 50s, I think. Look at the patina, look at the rusty axle, and it's actually nice and dirty. I love when models start with this, so we can really see the before and after in every restoration. This is the Carrier Refuge Collector, the number 36, I think, yeah, 36 or 38. This is a lovely car. I can see if I get the sticker and the back bit, because this thing screams restoration. Next, let's see. Ooh, a couple one. We have, ooh, this is a nice one. I think I have a smashed up version of this one. I'm not sure where it is at this point in time. I'm not going to find it probably. I have in my not the thumbnail, the art banner for my channel. There was a smashed up one from this, I think. Not sure because I didn't really recognize it, all smashed up. But this thing needs to be restored. It still has the back. I think you can get, yes, you can get, it still has its original back. That is amazingly rare, I think. This is probably the first thing that gets lost. Gonna see if I still can get these stickers, and this thing needs to be restored. It just screams restoration. Oh, this is a big one. What's this? Is it Matchbox? Yes, it is. It's a Matchbox from the King Size series. The Alice Colomber Motor Scraper. Oh, that's nice. It's been painted in orange. It needs to be restored. I want to restore this thing. Not sure how this thing will go apart with the... It's a little bit bent right there, but not sure how it goes apart. But if I can manage to take it apart, I will restore it. No, I think it was originally orange, but somebody re-oranged it, I think. Lovely. Next, oh, there's a note. Not gonna show, maybe his address on there. Let's see. It reads, let's cover this up. This is, it's have fun, hope you have something with this. They are 60 years or older. Thank you very much. I can't stress this enough. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, another truck. It is a newer one. It's a side hut truck. I think this is a 60s. It's number 60, so that's why not really sure. And this thing is amazing. Easily taken apart and should make for an awesome restoration. Next, let's see if there's more. Yes, I can feel a lot more. Let's see. Ooh, a little one. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I'm actually planning on buying this one because I already have the tracks in my parts bin, and I already have a the bucket for it in my parts bin. So yes, it is the Made in England number 8, the Caterpillar, and with a regular trademark. Love it, love it, love it. Next. This is an old one. This is cool. It is the Dennis Fire Engine number 9. That's small scale. If you looked at the regular car, that's small scale. I think there's supposed to be something here. If you know what, please let me know, because I need to restore this one. This needs to be restored. Oh, I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless. I love the Jaguar E-Type. I'm actually speechless. And this is such a good restoration candidate. It has been painted in a kind of gold-ish color. No, let's talk real. I can restore it, or I can just, where is it, make it actually gold. That's something to think about. If you want me to restore this one and how to restore it, please let me know in the comment section down below. I always wanted one of these to restore. Thank you very much. Is there more? I think that's it. Oh no, there's more packing peanuts. Make sure I have everything. Yes, that's it. So let's quickly get everything in screen. This is amazing. Please let me know in the comment section down below what I need to restore first and how to restore it. Again, Peter, thank you very much for sending this in. If you want to send something in, go to the description down below. And please leave a like, subscribe down below, and click the bell notification so we can get up to date on my videos. And see you next time. Bye.